welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, the thumbnail, your girl is engaged, so we're definitely gonna start doing little wedding series in my YouTube channel. When I post these videos, it's mainly for me, you guys, because I want to like rewatch them and relive them. So I have 5 bridesmaids and 1 maid of honor. Let's get started. I'm actually really excited about these boxes. So yeah, I got my boxes, all my boxes from Etsy, you guys. They have their names. It's kind of really cute. I got too excited doing this video for you guys. I didn't even do my makeup. I didn't even look cute. I just did my hair, and I actually made the boxes already. I probably could have saved one, but I was so excited. It comes like this, you guys. It has a little ribbon so you can tie it and their names on it. And then I bought them wine glasses. They have their names on it. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's one of the bridesmaids' names. From Etsy, I also got save the date cards, you guys. I don't want you guys to know my wedding date, so that's why I'm covering it, but it's super cute. My bridesmaid proposal box is basically a self-care box. I got them face mask, under eye mask, Amazon, and I also got them will you be my maid of honor. This one said bridesmaids card. To get spicy, I just went to the liquor store today, you guys, and I got them little rosés to go inside the box. It's gonna be so cute. And the last thing I purchased, you guys, is this big boy to go inside the box. It's super cute. Doing my girl Amandine first. Okay, I know this angle is not flattering, you guys, but it will do. I'm gonna get some the shredding paper thing. When I bought this, you guys, I bought too many. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. I bought too many. I bought 2 bags, and 1 bag is gonna be enough. So just for y'all that wants to use the same thing that I'm using, just keep in mind it's big enough. So this is how it's looking inside the box. Ooh, your girl is looking cute. That's her wine glass. I'm just gonna put it down. I'm gonna get her 2 under eye masks. Put it down. I'm gonna arrange it as I go, you guys. I really don't know what I'm doing yet. Let me put the little thing so I can see how much space I have. Okay, and I'm gonna leave her a save the date card, because you know she gotta know the date so she can be ready for the wedding. Oh my goodness, you guys, planning a wedding without a maid of honor is definitely interesting. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video on it. I can definitely do that for you guys. Thing going on, this pandemic that doesn't want to go away. It's definitely stressful, you guys, because your plans are not really set until your wedding date. So this is for the vibe that I'm going. Hopefully you guys can see it. So I put the mask and the save the date card behind this, and then I add the little eye mask. The drink is gonna go right here. As you can see, it's too big for the box. I thought they were smaller, but I couldn't find any smaller rosé. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put some sugar on top of it just to be cute. Hopefully it comes out. A wedding during a pandemic is definitely stressful, and if you're a bride, you're going through that right now. I feel you, girl, but don't worry, your wedding day will still be as special as it would be. What's annoying to me, you guys, is the fact that you can't really decide on, you can't really plan out your wedding like you would. Because let's say you would go book a venue, and then COVID is still here and it's still a big deal, and now you're losing your money, or you have to push your wedding date back, and who got time to wait? To be with your best friend all the time, like, who wants to wait? The cards for them, you guys. I'm gonna write her name. Her name is Amandine. My handwriting sucks, so guys, don't judge me. I tried. Wow, these little things are so good. So what I did, you guys, I went on my note section. I wrote down everything I want to be written in everybody's little, card. Because I feel like if I try to freestyle the day of, I wouldn't be able to do it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna write the cards, and then I will come back to you guys. Hey guys, so this is the final look, you guys. I wanted to show you guys the inside of the boxes. So basically I add the shredded paper up in the box, and then I put the glass, the save the date card, and I have little rosé for them, eye mask, face mask. Okay, so this is how it's looking, you guys. Her box is done. I really love those boxes, you guys. They're really strong and sturdy. They can definitely use it for anything they want. And yeah, it's super cute. I really love how the boxes turn out. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know if this video was interesting. Like I said in the beginning, you guys, all my wedding series are gonna be basically for me, so I can rewatch them once I'm married. And you know, like today is like getting on my nerve, I can go into my room and rewatch them and be like, oh, I really love this one, let me forgive it. But now, you guys, seriously, I really love how everything turned out. Even though I spent some points, it was worth it because these girls and means a lot to me. They were crazy. My proposal, I just wanted to do something in return for them. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comment below. I'll definitely answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you guys in a few days.